So today we're going to be talking about long division, and so we have an item we're going to put in our interactive notebook to help us remember how the steps for long division. So first let's go through the materials that you need. So before you get started, let's go ahead and gather all your materials. You'll need some tape, a pair of scissors, a brown crayon, a pencil, and these different pieces. You'll need your interactive notebook, and then these are the pieces that you're going to need. All right, one of the first things you're going to have to do is go ahead and color this piece brown. Be sure you don't color it so dark that you can't write on it. You are going to cut it out, so if you color outside the lines, it's going to be okay. If I'm shaking the camera a little bit, I'm sorry. So you're going to go ahead and just color this in. Back in order. So now what you're going to do is cut out these pieces. Each piece needs to be cut around the dark line. So you'll go ahead and do that right now. Now that we have our pieces colored and cut, we're going to turn to the page in our notebook that talks about long division. Right here we wrote long division. It's going to be on page 6. Here I am at page 6, and here are my pieces. So now you might have seen this before, but we're going to lay these out so that it looks like a hamburger. What's important is that we leave some room at the bottom, and we also don't cover up our title. So I'm just going to go ahead before I start taping anything and just start kind of positioning it where I want it to be. Okay, so I think that can scoot it just a little bit. Okay, so now I'm just going to use one piece of tape per layer. So now that I have it settled where I want it to be, I'm going to push these off and start with the bottom layer. Just put one piece of tape. See, I'm not using a big, huge piece of tape. I'm just going to put one right in the middle, just like that. I'm going to take the next layer. Do the same deal with the tape. Right at the top. And this is going to let us be able to flip it over in just a little bit and show our strategy. Okay. So now we're going to put our meat patty, our hamburger patty on there. So we're making a cheeseburger. Okay. And then we need some veggies on there, some lettuce.
Hiring people is probably the worst part of my job.
I started using ZipRecruiter about 3 months ago. One click and my job was posted to 100+ job boards, all the top sites.
All the candidates came to my dashboard. It's easy to compare them.
And I couldn't believe the number of great
Of
applicants.
course, I'm getting a commercial on my
Find the best candidates with
Pandora,
ZipRecruiter, where your job is just
so I'm not covering up my
job sites. And right now you can try
tile at the top.
Just click the banner now or go to
Alright, so
ZipRecruiter.com/Pandora.
here we
That's
go. I'm going to get that nice and
ZipRecruiter.com/Pandora.
straight.